Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Larnie B. Sotilo. Today I will be explaining to you about MMM Global. What is MMM? MMM is a global community of mutual aid and donation exchange. MMM is not a bank, neither a company, nor business. This is a community of ordinary people selflessly helping each other where money is transferred directly to each participant who asked for help from the one who gives help. A peer-to-peer donation. In MMM, there is no boss or owner. MMM is open to all people regardless of where they live and what level of income they have. MMM is global and widespread through the use of bitcoins. 138 million members in 107 countries for 4 years of activity and $14 billion assistance provided. It is the fastest growing community of people in the world. MMM is 100% legal in the whole world. Founder of MMM. Sergey Mavrudy is a founder of the MMM social financial community. MMM is sure to be his life work, but not the only one. Sergey Mavrudy, having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operating systems. The company he founded was one of leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russian parliament. His literary works were published and they sold in bookstores. 2 of his screenplays were made into movies. His poems turned into songs. How does it work? MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In MMM, you don't have to make contracts or pledge your property. In MMM, there are no lenders and no debtors. Everything is very simple. One participant is asking for help, another one provided help. The only thing that MMM demands from its participants is to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for financial help when you need it. You give financial help when you are able to do it. The goals of MMM. The goal here is not the money, but to help people all over the world. To spread the money among people so that they gain financial freedom, and most of all is to destroy the world's unjust financial system, financial apocalypse, and to create a new fair financial relationship among people. Advantages of MMM. Plus 30% rate per month of your help provided. Plus 10% referral bonus if you invite people to register at MMM. Plus $20 registration bonus if your donation is from $50 to $499. Plus $50 registration bonus if your donation is from $500 to $2,999. Plus $100 registration bonus if your donation is more than $3,000. Plus 5% bonus for the video attached to the letter of happiness after getting help. The 30% Mavru rate per month will start growing from the moment of deposit. The calculation of interest amount occurs twice a week, and every Thursday and Wednesday. The sum in Mavru shows how much you can request for help. Yes, it is the Mavru that is growing, not the peso or any currency. Peso if you are from Philippines. If you enroll for the online manager school of MMM, you can be a manager of MMM and can create your own multi-level structures and get a manager's bonus started with 5% from the second level, 3% from the third level, 1% from the fourth level, 0.5% from the fifth level, 0.3% from the sixth level, 0.1% from the seventh level, 0.05% from the eighth level, 0.03% from the ninth level, 0.01% from the 10th level, and to infinity. Another bonus. All participants of the community with confirmed Mabrus have the opportunity to participate in a weekly lottery. No payment required. Need to do is guess the number. Draw is on every Wednesday, 3 p.m. Philippine time. That's all. Thank you.